like,
Love.
I can't.
She cute too. What's up, Rogers? Woo! Team Funko, 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 Funko. Woo! Oh, this is so fire. Fire tote bag, fire tote bag. Woo! Yeah. What's good, y'all? It's Ant on the go. It's your boy. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. How y'all guys doing today? It's your boy. Yo, shout out to everybody that's watching my videos. You know what I'm saying? Always subscribe. Always liking it. It's a journey. This year been a journey. I started this channel since January. Shout outs to everybody. And a special giveaway, a big giveaway coming up. So I'm at what? I'm at like what, 400 right now? I'm on the journey to go to like 1,000. So if you get me there, I'm gonna be doing a big giveaway for all my subscribers. First, I wanna do 500. So if you could get me, if I get to 500, I'm gonna do my first giveaway for everybody that subscribe. I got you guys. So you already know, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get this video lit. So, what I got today for you guys, I got some nice lit. I got so many items for Comiccon. It wasn't even funny. And this is a dope vinyl figure, really fire. I have to be really, you know, fragile because this could break at any time. The box can bend, so you already know. Like, I gotta really protect this right here. Amazing. Let me know if you got that pop. Or if you like this from Naruto. That was cool. Next, I got the Yu-Gi-Oh! Heart of the Cards, Mystic Elf. Pretty fire. You know, Comic-Con exclusive. What I like about this year is they put a different sticker right here. Like, look at the sticker. The sticker's pretty dope. Comic-Con exclusive. It's different than all the other stickers they did, so I like it. You know, Mystic Elf. Who could go wrong? Who could go wrong with that? Then you got, boom, Bleach. Ooh, yo, Bleach. I ain't gonna front. Bleach is tough. I from Toy Tokyo. I wish it had the Comic-Con exclusive sticker on it, but it only got the Toy Tokyo New York 2000. It's alright. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, it's alright. Shafar. That's how you say your name. Yeah, Shafar. Shafar is pretty cool, but let me know if you like this Funko. So-called New York Comic-Con exclusive. Then you got, this one was pretty cool. So you got the Star Wars. Kylo Ken, Supreme Leader. This is the Supreme Leader. This, honestly, I like the Star Wars. The Star Wars is fire. Amazing, you know, anime, you know, amazing cartoon, you know, amazing. You know, Star Wars is amazing, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't really stress it enough. Amazing, and I love the fact that it got the exclusive sticker on it. Comic-Con exclusive, I love that. Then you got Metal. You got the Metal Sonic here, pretty fire. Metal Knuckles is cool too. You know what I'm saying? The Hedgehog, really amazing pop. I love Sonic. Can't go wrong with Sonic. Let me know if you love Sonic. But the only thing I don't like about it is that they don't have the Comic-Con exclusive sticker. It just got the Toy Tokyo once again. Oh well. Then, I know everybody gonna love this pop. So stand up. If you get your popcorn, whatever you gotta do. Look at this pop. Bang. DBZ. I know y'all love DBZ. Who don't love DBZ? This is Deborah. Honestly, I did like Deborah. I like the fact that they did this pop because I really do like this Funko Pop. Like, I love Dragon Ball Z. Can't say no more about it. It's amazing. Let me know your thoughts on DBZ, Deborah. I love it. And they did it right with the exclusive sticker, Comic-Con exclusive. They did right on that. Now, the final pop, and one of the best pop, honestly, is this big Buggy the Clown. Yeah, from One Piece. One Piece is increasing in value, guys. Make sure you get your One Piece stuff. It's increasing in value. This Funko Pop Buggy the Clown was extremely limited. I was lucky to get 2. I sold 1. You know what? I could raffle this off. All you gotta do, guys, you already know what to do. So, yeah, Buggy the Clown, amazing. And I love the fact that they put the right sticker on it. They put the Comiccon exclusive sticker. And yeah, it's lit. This is one of my favorite pops that I caught. $35 retail for this. Everything else was $15. And then the only thing that was $35 again was this. The Naruto. So these two is basically the same price. $35 and $35. And the rest this. Boom. Funko bag. Yo. This Funko bag is super huge. Yo. So this is the item that I got for free. I got like 5 of them for free. That was like one of the best items. The best item at Funko Pop. A free tote bag? What the hell? Let me know, guys. I will give it for free for you guys. And all you have to do is like, comment, subscribe, and let me know where you at. I'm from New York City. Let me know where you guys from. And yeah, we gonna take over 2024. The year about to end. We're gonna set it off on a good note. Yeah, guys. So this is the first Funko Pop that I got. Yeah, I know my phone is ringing. I'm like, wow, people calling me. So this is the first Funko. This was really limited. New York Comic Con limited edition. Star Wars, amazing pop. This is the first pop I got. Amazing. Let me know, were you able to get this Funko Pop Disney? Oh, amazing. Kylo Ren, Supreme Leader. I love this pop. Amazing Funkos. You know, Knuckles is so fire. Look at the details. Oh my God. Metal Knuckles is so fire. Toy Tokyo, New York, 2024, of course, limited edition. Let me know, did you get it online too? I tried online, but I was unsuccessful, so I didn't get it. Unfortunately, it sold out on me. So, Funko Pop. Yu-Gi-Oh! It's time to do. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Yu-Gi-Oh! I love this pop. I love the Yu-Gi-Oh pop. And then as you can see, oh, they got the Elemental Hero. And then you got the Elemental Hero Basinatrix. Wow, Avian and Basinatrix. Then you got Harpy Lady, Ojama Yellow, Wing Karibo, which is dope, Jaden Yugi, and Chaz. That's fire. Collect them all. Yu-Gi-Oh! I for sure will collect them all. I will definitely collect them all. And then I got the Bleach. Ooh. Shifar. You know, Yukora. Yeah, Yukora. That's how you say his name. Let me know, guys. But this is Bleach. You know, I used to watch a lot of Bleach back in the day. I used to watch a lot of Bleach. Guys. Look at the detail. Amazing. Team Bleach. Oh, Ishigo. I remember Ishigo. Wow. Kazumi. Wow, that's fire. That is fire. I like Bleach. Let me know, did you get this Funko? Matabi. Glow in the dark. It glows in the dark, which is pretty fire. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna show you how it glows, but this is fire. This Naruto Funko, oh man, super fire. And this is the family. Itachi. Then you got Obito. You know, the Ren, Ten. Oh yeah, super fire. Amazing Funko, amazing. Let me know if you guys got any of these Funko Pop. And did you get this Funko? Let me know. This is fire. A great piece. Ooh, look at Deborah. Oh my God. I love this pop. This is one of my favorite pops out the whole Comic-Con exclusive, you know. Yeah, I love this. Deborah. Amazing. Then you got Genyu. You got the, oh man, Butler. I like Butler funny. But yeah, Deborah, amazing Funko Pop. And my last One Piece, Comic-Con exclusive, New York City. Oh, Buggy the Clown. Let me know, did you cop this? Did you get this? This Funko was extremely limited, very hard to get. I love this Funko. I don't watch too much One Piece, but let me tell you, this Buggy the Clown is amazing. I like this Funko Pop. Pretty cool. Can't go wrong with it, guys. Let me know your thoughts. And yeah, that's basically all my Funko Pop. So yeah, it was an amazing time, you know, grabbing up all these Funko Pops. You know, my favorite one is, of course, the Dragon Ball Z. I love Dragon Ball Z. My second is Yu-Gi-Oh, of course. I love Yu-Gi-Oh. And yeah, these are all the Funko Pops. These are all the Funko. And yeah, guys, let me know what you think about these Funkos. And yeah, I will be doing a giveaway. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You don't want to miss the giveaway, guys. You don't want to miss the giveaway. So yeah, have a great day. Make sure you stay healthy. And I'll see you in the next video. Later. Look at my Funko. Woo! Show it. Alright, man. So I got the Funko Pops, you know what I'm saying? The broski came through, pulled up. Where they can find you, bro?
I am Young Shark.
Alright, bet. Word on the gram? You on the gram?
Yeah, I do music.
He do music. So the bro pulled up, cashed out. Shout out to the bro, you know what I'm saying? Him on the go-go. Yeah. Always love, you know what I'm saying?